In C, a string is not a feature. It is just memory. No stored lengths, no bound checking, just a character in sequence until 0 appears. And that 0 decides everything. Miss it and your program reads garbage. Modify the wrong memory and it crashes. Today we will break this down properly. We will see what a string literal really is, why cat star s equals to hello can crash, how traversal actually works, and the real difference between string arrays and pointer arrays. Let's analyze this code to understand C strings. Here we have a character array char str which contains hello character string, and this printf statement prints this hello. Notice this for loop carefully. Here for loop starts with I equal to 0 and I is less than size of str, I plus plus. So what do you think? What will be the size of str here? Here array contains 5 characters. HELLO, 5 characters, right? So what will be the size of str? Will it be 5? And this printf statement prints the each character one by one. %c, str of I and its corresponding ASCII value using %d. So what will be the output of this program? Let's compile and run. Let's run it. Here as you see, first it prints hello and then it prints 6 values, not 5. So the size of str here is 6, not 5. Why? Because the last character in the string is a null terminator character, which is 0 character. So hello in memory is stored as HELLO and null terminator character, which has 6 characters. So this extra byte is called null terminator. Null terminator. C does not store string length. It finds the end by scanning until it reaches null terminator, which is \0. Now let's understand how to traverse a string. There are 2 fundamental ways by which we can traverse a string: using array index or using a pointer. In this program, we have a character array char str array which holds the hello world string. So how this is represented in memory? Hello world, and the last character is null terminator character, which is \0. This is a null terminator character. Null terminator. Let's see how to traverse a string using array index. Observe this for loop very carefully. For int I equals to 0, str of I is not equal to \0, which is the null terminator character. So we will iterate through the character array until we reach the null terminator and I plus plus, and we are printing each character one by one. With the help of str of I is not equal to \0 condition, we can determine the end of the string. Now let's see how to traverse a string using pointer. Here we have char star p equals to str, which means pointer p points to the start of the string. And again, while star p is not equal to null terminator, we will iterate through the loop until we reach null terminator. And this printf prints the character one by one by dereferencing the pointer using star p. And in each iteration, we increment the pointer to point to next location. So pointer p will point to next location until we reach the null terminator. Let's compile this code and run. Let's run the code. So here, as you can see, we traverse using index, it prints hello world, and traversal using pointer, it prints hello world again. Now let's understand what is a string literal. A string literal is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quote. When we write a statement like this, char star ptr equals to hello, compiler does something very important. We'll understand this in a while, but let's see this code first. In this code, we are declaring a character pointer which points to hello string, and this printf prints the original string, and this prints the address of the string. If we compile this program, this should print the string and its address. But what will happen if we modify this string? Let's uncomment this code. With this statement, ptr of 0 equals to capital H, we are trying to modify the first element of the string. So we are trying to replace this small h with capital H. So what will happen? Will the program work or will it crash? Let's compile this code and see. Let's run it. See this, it crashed with segmentation fault. But why? Let's understand. To understand the crash behavior, first we need to understand what is the memory layout of a C program. If you want to understand this in depth, please watch my pointer series. Here we have our code. With this code, compiler does something very important. With this statement, char star ptr equals to hello, the ptr pointer goes to the stack segment, and the hello string, which is a string literal, it goes to the read-only data segment. So hello goes here, and this segment is read-only. When we try to modify the read-only memory with ptr of 0 equals to h, we lead to a crash. Now let's understand 2D array of strings. Let's analyze this code. Here we declare a 2D array of strings, char arr of 3 by 10, and we have 3 strings, 1, 2, 3. The memory layout of this array looks like this. Each row of an array is of fixed size, which is 10. So this is arr of 0, this is arr of 1, and this is arr of 2. And arr of 0 contains ONE1 and null terminator character. This is TWO and null terminating character. And this is THREE and null terminating character, which is \0. And all these strings are stored contiguously. This for loop prints all these 3 strings one by one using arr of I. Let's compile this code and run. Let's run the code. Here, as you can see, all these 3 strings have been printed here. Now take a look at this code. These 2 codes looks very similar, but both have completely different memory layout. In this case, this arr is an array of pointers, and each pointer points to a string literal. And as we know already, string literals are stored in read-only memory. So in this case, you cannot modify these strings. In C, a string is not a data type. It's a memory contract. Understand memory and you will understand C. If you found this video useful, please subscribe.